This beach. See, this
Look marvelous.
Absolutely marvelous.
Another cruel joke, a climb at the end.
Ramp now, man. Come on. Jeez.
We got that cramping and edema thing all figured out. Steve Bourne figured out that the edema that he was getting was on the longer rides
Too
was
many.
being caused by 2 enduro lights an hour instead of 1.
Yeah, that would do
We
it.
cut it to 1 and he
So
wasn't had
retaining.
any. Yep, he was causing his own edema. Didn't even know it.
Hypernatremia.
Hourly supplements have been taken down.
There's a hill. Jeez.
Got a mile and a half. Ways to go. We're at 5.7.5, so 5.9 as well. That's it, Jeff. Finish it, man. It's like any hill in the course. Man, this is a bitch. Man, it takes some ibuprofen. Yeah.
Do you want some now?
As soon as I need 4 right away.
I can give you 4 right now.
Thank you. Can you find it? Never reach. Find it?
That's the beauty of
You
it.
guys back and forth.
Oh yeah.
Very good.
So love you guys. So
Sure.
my first 508.
Yeah,
Six
I get it.
guys were doing
apart. First Creek 508, so here's your medal that signifies that. Here's the jersey you can wear when you ever not wear a hammer outfit. So that's what this jersey looks like.
Yeah, that was
YouTube. So good job. Congratulations. You're welcome. Awesome. Fantastic. My pleasure. Look right out here.
All right.
Now let's bring up the crew.
Why'd you give it to Kate?
It's recording right now.
You know, I never
Just a video. All right.
Yeah, but just
It's the middle underneath.
Got it? That's all right.
One more time.
You guys rock.
That's okay, we're all fighting for the picture. We'll get him to shoot one here.
Will do.